Alright, today we're gonna install the GoFastBits DV Plus. Basically I definitely needed this because ever since I installed my cold air intake, I've been getting the squealing noise from the diverter valve, which is leaking boost, I'm sure. It's just terrible. So I'm gonna install this today, which is gonna be nice. And I'm also gonna do an oil change because I'm almost at 6K miles. And we can cross this off of the Mk6 list. Doop. Doop. So we got the car on ramps. Kind of sketchy. Jack stands are being occupied by half of an EK sedan that got shredded. But diverter valves right there. It's kind of covered in oil, which isn't good. Yeah, so basically we gotta take that plug out, and then there's 3 bolts that hold it in. Slide the bolts out, as easy as that. So I'm gonna do that because it's kind of hard to do under here. I was planning to go to my old work and use a lift to do this, but it's supposed to snow later, so yeah. So I got the diverter valve off. The most pain in the ass was the plug, which I just pried off carefully with a screwdriver or flathead. And one of the back bolts was kind of hard to get to, being on the ground and shit. But I'm gonna take this apart. It says we got the, where's it? So yeah, we got the revision C. So we're gonna follow the direction. So I got the diverter valve installed. Both of my GoPro batteries died somehow. I don't know why they keep dying so fast, but so let's do some fucking pulls. That I've realized, which was major for me, was before, I don't know why, every time I shifted first and second gear, sometimes third, the car would like, I don't know how to describe it, it would kind of like, I don't know, it was just like rough getting off of first and second gear. Like that shit would bob hella. Can't think of the right word, but I've noticed that shit is gone now. Throttle response is so much better. I feel like it definitely holds boost better with the GFB DV Plus. When I went to the shop, I go to NGP, New German Performance, and they asked me if I wanted the vent to atmosphere, but I did some research on that shit beforehand, and I figured out that I'd rather just go with the just DV Plus to recirculate the air. Second gear. I did rotate my tires. I had in the back are unbalanced, and then I did the tire rotation, so now the ones that are unbalanced are on the front, and it's just a terrible vibration. Holds boost so much more better. I hit 20 pounds, which is kind of odd because I feel like I haven't hit 20 pounds in a while. Yeah, the car's running better, but I plan on getting coilovers real soon. I'm gonna slam my shit, and then I think I'm gonna do a resonator delete and then stratified, and yeah, we're just gonna chill on that note after all that's done.